Hi. So today we are NGO of Ny Fanahy with the partner for the foundation of Highness Sheikh Mohammed Al Maktoum bin Rashid humanitarian charity from Dubai. This is the rulers of Dubai. So you know, since 2013, our NGO already do a lot of relief and rescue in Madagascar following this lot of this cyclone and disaster in Madagascar. So 2013, we already starting to help the people after the cyclone Arona was being in south of Madagascar. We bring one cargo 747 from the foundation of Highness and to help the Madagascar people. After this, in 2014, we already helped the children in the east of Madagascar with our partner from Abu Dhabi to bring the clothes and for the small kids, because this is the program for the Highness in the Emirates Uni to help children. And in 2015 also, we do bring in the lot of doctors to do the mobile hospital clinic to help the local, the Madagascar who have the problem in the health care in the south of Madagascar in Tuyari. So in 2017, you remember in March, we have this big cyclone Inoa. And this cyclone, the government of Madagascar requested and announced that they need help from the international community. So in this case, we already answered them that we come to help Madagascar. That's why 3 or 4 days later, this cyclone, one big aircraft is from Dubai and is managing by, this is from Highness Sheikh Mohammed Al Maktoum, and managing this rescue is managed by the United Nations in Madagascar. After this, later, so we see the big disaster is in the northeast of Madagascar, the region Sava. So in this case, I help again. I told the Sheikh, okay, let's help again for Madagascar. So they send food by container, by shipment. And this shipment is reaching here almost in the beginning of May of 2017. But you know, in the case, the government of Madagascar create one law that's only BNGRC, with this agent of the official agent of government of Madagascar to manage the rescue in Madagascar. So we give to them the goods, the goods, everything for the donation for the local people have this rescue for in the north of Madagascar. So in this case, our NGO Ny Fanahy and BNGRC create one agreement that all goods from Dubai, from Sheikh Mohammed Al Maktoum Foundation, will go to this BNGRC. So we sign everything on this, but we request to get only one point is when they share these goods for the local people for this donation. I ask them, we ask them that we must just inform us who is the people who share on this, and just only for the follow-up. But this is all after 7 months, and BNGRC never give us the report. Where is the goods is going for to share for what region and what population already received this food. But in surprise, in 4th of December, the shipment airline company in my rescue line in Dubai informed the Sheikh Foundation to say the goods going to public action. So they will go to sell in 11th of December, this Monday coming. So we are very surprised. We go directly, they called me in Madagascar to say, Rado, we must check for what is to go to see this government agent, BNGRC, what is the situation. Because for us, this goods supposed to already share to the whole population. And then they condemn, nobody responds because they said, no, the people, the guys who is managing, the manager of this, responsible of these goods is in jail because for another case. So I told them, we don't care on this, because this is not our problem. The problem, it is your internal problem, it's not the problem of our NGO. We'd like to ask the situation, where is the goods? And no, nobody answers us. So we sent one official letter yesterday to them to ask them, you must give us one official answer. in 24 hours, because the public action is next Monday. So just only a few days coming. So we give them this now, and supposed to till 5 o'clock p.m. We must wait their answer. But in the case, this is the big problem in our country, because this is a bad image for the government of Madagascar. So that's why I'd like to ask for this, the president of Madagascar, the prime minister of Madagascar, please, our image is very bad for international, for this case, because it is a bad intention. So we'd like just to understand why, if you don't like these goods, if we don't like that we participate to help Madagascar, we must tell us in the beginning, in May of 2017, that's to say, no, we don't need this, and we come by, we bring back these goods from Dubai. So that is the case today. So we ask them to give the answer, official answer. But our request is, please, if you must check these goods, if it is not for, because it's almost like 7 months staying in the port, so we don't know if it is already damaged, these goods. So we must check it. If it's damaged, you must burn these goods, because this is we cannot give this for the local people. And no, the image of the Sheikh Mohammed Al Maktoum is in the case today, because it's nobody cannot answer what is the situation. From our side, ONG Fanahy, we cannot go to entrance to ask for the port of Madagascar or for the custom, because we have not any documents from us, because all documents is already in the hand of the BNGRC in the 3rd May 2017. So this is our request. If it's good, it's okay. Please share for the local people. Don't sell it. This is what I request today. So this is our intention. So please, again, but you are all Madagascar. Our philosophy, Fanahy, means the spirit is the human. So please help the Madagascar poor people. Forget the politics. Forget for my name. Forget anything. But give this for the local people, guys.